Professor Mauto. Prof, thank you so much for joining us and welcome to Inside UN News. My apologies.
Thank you for just picking me up to come and have a few words about Prof.
Well, how was it working like under his leadership? And if he's, of course, watching this interview, what would you like to say to him as he's going to retirement?
I just want to tell him that I won't disappoint even if he's not there, because with Prof pays attention to detail. You can't escape. When Prof asks you a question, Mautu, do you know about, just know that already he has investigated and he knows. So he's just confirming if you are also aware of whatever situation that he's putting on the table. So with Prof, you can't mess up. You must always be alert, especially that in the Faculty of Humanities, a big university, a big faculty. So you must know what is happening around each and every corner. So every time you do whatever, you know that the next moment you have to account, and accurately so. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, and we do appreciate your time. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
Thank you so much, and I'm saying with Prof, Pole Apatla Amremadi.
Well, that was Professor Mauto. He's the Faculty of Humanities Executive Team. Basically, I'm reflecting on the achievements and some of the contribution that was made by Professor Mahlo Mogalong at the University of Limpopo. Well, of course, this event is graced by also some of the senior governmental officials, including the Minister of Higher Education, Buti Manamela, including our Chancellor at the University, Dr. Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma. Well, we are, of course, continuing to give you some of the rolling coverage here at EduPark in Polokwane.